dito tayo ngayon sa Sensi Restaurant. Magbe-breakfast muna tayo and I don't know what's our plan for the day. I hope the weather will stay like this. No sun. It's very nice already outside. My rainbow. Rainbow mango. Dito na yung breakfast namin. Nice. Aalis lang kami guys. Punta kami Station 1. Kuha kami ng permit ng drone. Tapos maglalakad tayo sa Bulabog Beach. Let's go. Go. Let the walking begin. Daming tao. Napakadaming tao. What? Yeah. Dito tayo magdaan.
Tao kayo, ma'am.
Mango shake, 90 pesos. Try natin tong Halo Mango. Our eyes are chocolate. What ice cream? The ice cream mango? Dito naman kami, walking. We're just going for a dip now. Dinner at Andox. Let's explore. Morning dip here in Boracay. Tapos na kami isang araw, nag-crystal na kami. May nakontak na. 9 o'clock.
Ilan ba kayo?
2,000.
2,000 ako?
Okay na yun, no? Okay na yun?
Okay na yun, kaya nag-guide yung mga picture yan. Walang picture yan.
Wala.
Maganda yung may picture yan. Sa akin. Pag sa akin kasi may picture yan yung lahat. Ako kukuha lahat yung picture yan.
Magkano?
2,000 din.
Ah. Ikaw drive?
Hindi. I-try ka na din kukuha.
Ah. He's doing the land tour with a guide. With a guide. He will take a photo of everything. Us. The other one has no. Same price. Well, it's better with someone who will take a photo.
You just do this out.
You say find
Ako yung kukuha natin.
Magaling siya mag-picture mo.
a better offer. Just ask the guy.
Ganun kasi ito, walang guide.
Siya kasamahan kayo.
Ako sasamahan ko kayo dyan lahat yung picture yan.
Para mapuntahan lahat ng...
You could have swim now.
But I didn't know that.
Oh. So cold. Swim sack.
Can I put my t-shirt off?
Yeah, give it to me.
No, wait. Can I use that t-shirt again?
Morning guys! This is our day 3 here in Boracay. Ganda talaga dito guys. Tingnan mo. So nice. Kaso umuulan ng konti. It's raining a bit but yesterday the weather was so good. Yesterday. So ito yung morning view. Pag umaga wala masyadong tao. Yeah. Ulan, parang may ulan doon sa kabila. The sun is coming up because the sun rises that one and then it sets in the front beach. So dito lang tayo sa beach front mag-chill-chill while waiting sa breakfast kasi maaga pa naman pa yung breakfast. 7:30 pa lang, so it's good to chillax. Chillax lang muna tayo. You go that one there. More cleaner.
Very short.
So breakfast is here. And this is mine. Punta na kami guys, magla-land tour. Where? Oh yeah. Magla-land tour lang kami guys.
Pa-break mo naman.